Peppa Pig.
Welcome to the world of Peppa Pig. The alphabet. A is for apple. Healthy, crunchy and yummy. B is for bees, who drink from flowers and fly. C is for carrot, Rebecca's favourite treat. D is for dinosaur. George loves his dinosaur. E is for egg. Chickens lay eggs. F is for football. Score a goal. G is for garden, where Grandpa Pig plants seeds in a row. H is for hose, to water plants so they grow. I is for iguana, who eats delicious leaves. J is for Jack-in-the-Box, a funny surprise. K is for key, to open locked doors. L is for library, with stories galore. M is for moon, which lights up the night. N is for nurse, dressed all in white. O is for octopus, with 8 legs in all. P is for Mr. Potato, who is very tall. Q is for quack, when Mrs. Duck says hello. R is for radio, to listen to a show. S is for sailboat, powered by the wind. T is for tea, with milk and sugar nearby. A is for umbrella, to protect you from the rain. V is for vegetable, a snack to make you healthy and strong. W is for worm, wriggling on the ground. X is for X-ray, to see your bones. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it flies. Z is for zip, closing your coat before you go outside. The alphabet.